I just wanted to update, give you an idea of what we're doing today, and I will show you Georgetown when we get there because it's really beautiful. It's this really pretty town with a lake in the middle. There is a brewery that you can also go to that looks out at the lake, which is really pretty. So yeah. This is the view right now. Going up I-70 into the mountains. This town is absolutely gorgeous. It literally looks like a painting. There's my little fisherman. This is beautiful. Oh, he's going crazy. We're out here. Ashton found his first fishing spot. So we're gonna hang out for a little bit before we keep walking. It's such a beautiful day out. It's crazy because when we left Denver, it was like, what, 78 degrees outside?
Yeah.
It was like 78 degrees, which is like amazing for Colorado fall. And here it's like 57 or 58. Which still isn't cold by any means, but it just goes to show how much elevation we gained in just like less than an hour of driving in Colorado. I think Georgetown's around 7,500 feet up. Obviously Denver is a mile up, so 5,200 give or take. So yeah. Definitely gained some elevation up here. So definitely good relaxation spot for sure. Daly, you're freaking crazy. Daly already went swimming. These guys. Love these guys. You already know the drill. I got someone side-eyeing me. Cheers. Where are we? Tell them where we are.
We're at Cabin Creek Brewing in Georgetown, Colorado.
Getting a beer after a nice day out on the lake.
Trying to catch fish.
Did you catch anything, babe? Not today.
Catching the bugs.
Okay, thank you. Gotta show this view. Look at the view out here. This is the view from the brewery. So freaking pretty. Are you kidding me? Can't get much better than this.